John here, lead maintainer of the open source Latterly.io, which is a social community for individual contributors and software engineers. You can learn to code, improve your interview prep, and grow your social network. You can join the Discord for free under the community tab. And GPT-5 just came out, so we are going to see if we can build a JRPG game with a RAG. So imagine that you have a chat and I can have a party of up to 4 characters, and I could bring my laptop to an Airbnb with my family, and we could play a D&D style role-playing game. This is purely hypothetical. I'm definitely not going to actually use this if it works. And so that's what we're doing. We have access to GPT-5 through the UI, and then also in Cursor, free credits for paying users during the launch week. So the first thing I want to do before I want to go to Cursor is I want to work on the design. And I want to confirm whether I should have a Python server or not. Let's focus on the design for now. So here's my concern with the classic split. And this is what I have in the RESTL RAG. So in the RESTL RAG, I have a backend, which is in Python, and it has its own schema. It's going to be in a database folder. Let's see. Yeah, in the database folder. So the schema is, I don't know, somewhere over here, migrations. But so I have these migrations, but then I also have a Prisma file in the front end, and that's kind of cringe. So that's what I'm asking it to plan better. Okay, cool. So it's going TypeScript end to end. Let's use Supabase for the database as a service. I can connect to Supabase Prisma. Let's use Next.js. Double check whether we prefer or. What is the name of the Vercel AI SDK? This one, yeah. Okay, so we're still in the planning phase, basically. Thinking longer for a better answer. I like, and my first impression of GPT-5 is that it's doing a good job. If you must use Python now, this and even this, like its plan B is also good. I like that a lot. All right, here's a tight hand-offable design doc tuned for Vercel. Okay, cool. I'll also settle the Langgraph and whether to bootstrap with T3. Slay, boy, slay. Cool, so it's gonna say Langgraph.js. Works for me. Do not use T3 unless you want TRPC in their opinions. App router, server actions, AI SDK is simpler. Okay. Vercel Gemini template, Gemini AI chatbot. Okay, let's look at this. Ew, list flights. I don't like that. But it already has auth. I do like that. It already has Gemini. I do like that. Even though I want Gemini 2.5, not 1.5. Let's see. I want to see the code. I don't want to see a demo. Where's the code? Yeah, it's like 10 months old. It's kind of old. Next 15 Canary. With drizzle? No, I don't want this. I don't want this. Okay. Cool. So we'll go create next app. Google-centric D&D with agents. So let me delete some stuff. Start a new terminal. Go to GPT-5, and there's a GPT-5 fast. That's cool. Okay, it's twice the price. Yo, that's kind of crazy. Create next app. So what do we want to call this thing? Yeah, that's fine. What is your project named? It's named RPG multiplayer chat. RPG multiplayer chat. Would you like to use TypeScript? Yes. Yes. Yeah. Cool. Oh, this is cool. Oh, nice. This is a new thing from Cursor. I like that. Okay, so init create next app. Cool. I have initialized a new create next app and sent you the package.json. I've initialized a new create next app for the project and sent you the package.json. Let's update the code and README. I will attach a design that outlines the intended implementation. Let me know if you have any questions. Let's construct a to-do list of tasks and complete them step by step, including README updates as appropriate. The goal is to create a production-ready multiplayer chat RPG experience with authentication and a Google Gemini LLM backbone. Okay. I'm going to copy this whole thing. And in there, I'm going to delete this first. Okay. I'm going to copy this all to my clipboard because that's a huge message. But let's send it. Big fat message. This is actually a great opportunity to go check the GPT-5 context window size. I want to see over 100K tokens. Yes. Well, it says reported. Hold on. Okay, 256K, according to Wired.com. Strong improvements to long context performance. All right, love to see it. Yeah, okay. So kind of, at least compared to the other OpenAI products, I'd like to see it benchmarked against Gemini, but at least compared to the other OpenAI products, it actually does much better with high context saturation. Oh, and that's compared to many there. Yeah, that's much better. Nice. I love that we can control verbosity this way. That's awesome. Okay, 256 is what I'm hearing. I'm happy about this. Okay. Yeah, sure, run it. So it listed these. I thought it would activate the cursor to-do list tool. I'm not seeing that activated. I wonder if they need to do some more work in that regard. Now it's not installed Supabase here. So I'll be curious how we address that. There's some validation errors here. Okay, so it's using the README to contain the to-do list. I think that's fine. It's a nice workaround. See, this is what I'm also curious about. How's it going to do this? Is it going to use the Supabase CLI? Cool. So it looks like it knows how to use the embedding. Vector is neither a built-in type. That doesn't look good. Yeah, what version of Prisma am I using? I want to be using Prisma 6. Good. Okay. PG vector extension support. Oh, early access. Native support for PG vector is going to follow soon. Typed SQL. Okay, so it's kind of like a workaround. Yep, unsupported vector. Okay, cool. And we're not enabling early access. PG vector. Okay, so I think it hasn't read about Postgres extensions yet, but now it's doing that. I don't know why it changed env.example to whatever. That doesn't matter. So what did it actually do there? It fixed some relations. Rule set, JRPG. We have different rule sets. Okay. Episodic entity scene, whatever. It didn't do a whole lot useful there, did it? Pretty much fixed one relation. But I don't actually see early access in the Prisma file. Okay. Sometimes you need to include a metadata, which is like an opt-in to early access, but I guess that's not happening or not necessary here. Yeah, this code looks like what I need. Search memory chunks, good. Cookies? Oh man, I'm getting so fat on vacation chat. Chat. I'm streaming. I'm trying out the new GPT-5. Can I have more caffeine?
Celsius or coffee?
Of any form. I trust your expertise on the subject.
I mean, I would say coffee with cookies.
I absolutely trust your expertise on the subject.
Great.
Y'all, wifey is wifeying. Okay, use a top-level Supabase at the repo root. Cool. Oh, wow, added a memory. Fine, looks good to me. Root level Supabase and app level Prisma. Okay. Okay, so here I'm going to make dir Supabase. I created the Supabase directory with an empty README file. Please update it with tasks to be done and style guidelines, such as the fact that we do not want any migrations to be done here. Okay, what else do I need to do? Let me know if I should run npx supabase init in the top level folder or in this Supabase folder. Chocolate chip, a classic. Run npx supabase init in the repo root. So I'm going to copy this to my clipboard in case it gets wiped. There might have been a knock, Tina. Cool. All right. It automatically leveraged this directory. What up, Mike?
Dude, what?
What?
I wondered why it didn't do coffee. There's nothing in this fucking pod.
Oh, wow.
Or all
Oh, it's a
pods?
rinse pod.
All right, now we're gonna be clean for the next one. I
What
appreciate
is happening?
I appreciate it.
All right, bunch of nice deck of cards. I also brought Love Letter because it's the closest thing to RPG
Slay.
that you can learn in 5 seconds.
Slay. I'm using GPT-5 that was released today to try to create, once again, an AI game tool. We'll see if it works. Okay. So I have the database going. I'm going to CD. Could I have like a paper towel or something?
Honestly, I think the best use of the AI tools that I've seen you use is generating quest lines.
Sure. Yeah, it's great at that.
The,
But I also want it to handle the number crunching and stuff like that.
true. That'd be nice. The part of that is assigning numbers.
I have a treat for you.
Yeah.
Ouch. That was rude. Hey. Can you open that thing?
Should I go ahead and pause this? Do you want to play a game, or are we waiting for?
I think we're waiting for Jess and Kate.
Okay. Yeah, no, I need like a knife or something.
All right.
Oh, never mind. Okay.
Oh, we got Chef Garage for eating that jerky. Also, I really doubt it. Y'all don't know anyone in town that needs an oven, do you?
That needs an oven?
Yeah.
I do not. I do not.
I just have an oven in the back of my truck that I haven't thrown away yet.
Sit.
Crumble Cookie. If y'all want to sponsor me, bro, I will do you well. I promise.
Who are you talking to?
I'm streaming.
Oh, okay. Makes a lot more sense then.
Okay, starting containers. All right. So now we have a local database running. This is a secret file, but I'm okay sharing it because all of the details here are local to my computer. So whatever.
You should kid her. Funny kid. I'm hilarious.
Okay. So we'll see if using the environment variables, any of the code gets modified. Otherwise, we may be ready to go. Just need that Google Gen AI API key. Optional Redis for checkpointer. I don't want to use Redis. Like what? Is env template blocked? No, it shouldn't be, right? Okay. .env.template is get ignored. By who? I'm so confused. Ah, okay. Got it. Got it.
By the way, y'all didn't find a random all black charger.
Yes.
Right.
Black?
Not like just the outlet, like the whole cord and everything.
No, this thing.
Oh, no.
No. This is what I was thinking. I don't know who this is.
Yeah, I don't know. Okay, so Docker is running now. So I should be able to migrate the database. This is running.
This is the one I was talking about.
No, leave him alone.
What is this doing? env template to env example. No. No. env example. With psql, create the extension. Okay, so he's going to add it here. Okay.
I think it's right behind it. You see it? Yeah, I see it.
Hold on. Have a- good job.
I knew you were gonna try and psych me, so I tried to do it the way that you were gonna psych me.
That's just rude. Here I am with a high five, and you just miss like that on purpose.
No, I feel like you're gonna psych.
I didn't even move. I don't know who played me.
I know you were gonna do.
Yeah.
That's the way it work. It's not because it
What's this say?
You know,
What's that say?
one.
What's that say in Spanish?
npmipg.info. Okay, looks good to me.
One in Spanish.
The game is just called One.
Oh,
Looks like it should be a developer dependency, but I don't mind this too much.
I know what kiwi in Spanish is.
What's that?
Kiwi.
Huh?
Kiwi in Spanish is kiwi. That's the English word. Dad, what do you? Can I play the game with you?
Oh, I was just shuffling because I like shuffling cards.
Okay,
2-player Uno. These are my cards, right?
2-player Uno.
Yeah, that's how you're supposed to play.
Mm.
But one player is actually against your brain, so it's always 2-player. Right, could you play with me?
All right, let's give this a shot. Here, just set those to the side.
okay, so a couple of mistakes that it made. These should be dev dependencies. It's asking me to do that when it should be doing that.
Are you?
And it could have gotten them right the first time, which it didn't.
All right, and you can go first.
I have a feeling it's gonna be a ton.
And it converted to TypeScript, but it left both forms, which is not ideal.
Blue 2. We'll go with 7.
I'm gonna go with this 4.
We'll go with 6.
Alright, if you kept the 7 there, I would have been lucky. I'm so glad I got another blue. Ooh, thank you.
We also have an issue on the create instructions command and an issue on the TS node over here.
Uno.
You,
You didn't even call Uno.
no.
Draw 2.
I put 1 and get 2 more.
And that's my last card.
You just use all your cards. Alright.
Yeah, I got lucky.
Can
They
I
all
do my
pretty.
last bonus point?
Go for it.
This is gonna make you nothing.
Notably, this is a bunch of stuff that I would be able to skip if I had gone for the create T3 app approach that it pushed back on.
And 4.
Scripts are wired.
Okay. Swap hands.
Swamp Ant? I didn't know that was like an
I'll
Uno.
update the.
I didn't either. Your turn.
But you have to pick the
NPX
color.
TS node.
We'll stick with blue.
We'll stick with blue. Oh, I wanted to stick with green.
Yo, what is it talking about?
I have no problems. I'll stick with blue.
Use the
And I have to
npm
draw
script so it
more
runs it
cards.
via.
I reswapped
I-
cards in my first
Okay,
class.
it doesn't understand what I did.
Why do I keep doing this?
Yeah, it actually thinks that I didn't do that, but I did.
No. 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 No.
Okay, so we're starting to see the cracks. We're starting to see the
Yeah.
GPT-5 cracks already, aren't we?
Blue.
Stop.
Uno.
Stop doing this. I have no cards. Wait. If you put a skip down, do you have, is it a skip?
This is what it's good.
A skip. You have a skip?
No.
What color is it? Just tell me the color. Don't.
It's blue.
I already have in the Latterly repo, I already have some scripts in TypeScript.
I get
So
to
what's
pick
the issue
color
here?
and you have to pick 4 cards.
What color are you picking?
I pick green.
Okay. All right, you go.
Okay, all right, it wrote AI instructions.
In your go.
Okay, this works for me. All right, I'm fine with that.
No.
Create instructions. Users van. I don't want it to be written to that location though.
I gotta skip. I didn't even get a skip.
Go with the 6.
No! I wish that was a skip. I wish it was my turn sometimes. I
That
don't
would
have
make
no
the game a
way.
little easier. Do you have a 6 step?
Yeah. That's good. This is good. I'm having a good mood because I have a lot of greens.
All right, chat. So that's where we're going to end it for now. Thanks for tuning in.